A squirrel acorns. There's acorns for squirrels.
And then, ouch.
Careful, mommy.
Right. We are at Golden Corral, guys. Hello, guys. We are at Golden Corral after church. Yung dalawa nasa loob na iniwan ako. Tapos na kami mag-church. So, haircut naman. May pasok siya bukas. Hello. There's a little bit blood.
There is?
My turn. Yung makulit andun nanonood ng TV. When was the last time that?
2 months ago.
A little bit longer. How many years? Yeah, ako lang tagagupit sa kanya. Hindi masyadong mainit. Tara tayo sa mas maliit. Mas pino na to. Pang finishing. Finishing! Cemento. My. We forgot this one. Just to me. Lagi pa naman na.
Trim around my neck.
Kilay niya guys, super haba. Kailangan thermal. There you go.
It's raining.
Yep, we're done anyway.
Let's get the
Yung makulit natin Wanna say hi? Yeah. So, andun na sa mister, naliligo. Tapos na tayong magbigay ng haircut. Ako lang nag-haircut sa kanya, mga lalabs. Para makaka-save. Ang mahal kaya ng paggupit, kaya namang gupitin. Why not, diba? So, hindi na magbabayad. So, yep. So, ako lang yan. Since napunta ako dito, ako na ang tagagupit sa kanya. Yeah. Nakasave na. Hindi naman siya gaanong pero, yeah, why not, diba? Kaya naman, ganun lang naman eh. Ang niya, gupit. Dali lang naman, kalbo lang naman. Tingnan nyo pagdala niya ng umbrella niya. Taga-surok. Ang daming flowers. Ang bango. Ewan ko kung jasmine yan. Yung sampagita ba?
There's like a big yellow one with white.
Yeah. Pero may yellow-yellow siya eh. Ayan yung flower. Mabango. Parang sampagita.
Hey, Mama.
What?
I think these white ones are daisies.
Looks like a daisy.
Dizzy? Those are daisies, I think. All daisies.
A wild maybe. Ang daming bulaklak oh.
Look, those are like flowers. See,
Yeah,
those are just
flower.
those round ones.
Naglalakad-lakad kami sa neighborhood.
This is the way to the nearest church. Here.
Nearest church. Ayan. Hindi tinapos ang
You can
mowing
walk
dyan.
to the church.
Tingnan yung pagdala ng umbrella niya.
You could probably walk to the church.
Parang taga-bundok
Like
to.
that.
Anak yata to ng taga-bundok. Ang ganda ng bahay doon, oh. Puro flower. Mahilig sila sa mga flower dito. Ang ganda ng mga bahay with flower. Gusto niyang maglakad. Ewan ko kung saan kami patutungo nito. Dala lang siya ng umbrella. Baka daw umulan. Ang bahay oh. Ang ganda. Ang daming flowers sa front. Mga roses yata yan oh. Tingnan mo.
My bus goes here. My bus sometimes goes here.
Oops, there's a car.
You know.
Where did we go last time? Did we go straight?
Last time we went
Yeah, with
straight
Teta.
all the way to the end. Then we went woo all the way to Dollar General.
Alright, then let's go straight.
My bus goes this way.
I don't have a shoes. Yung slipper lang ako.
I changed it into
Buti
shoes.
siya nag-shoes. Iba naman to. Double D Meadows.
Shoes is nice.
Are you tired na?
I could walk all day. I think.
Ah, God. Because when we go to Louisville Zoo, it's a lot of walk again. Just like what we did in the
I could walk.
fireworks.
I could walk 5 hours. I could
Wow.
walk.
Straight? 5 hours straight? Maybe.
If I run, it might be 4 hours or less than 4 hours.
Ang ganda.
One of these houses are Brennan's house.
Huh?
One of these houses are Brennan's.
Your classmate?
No. But he rides my bus.
Oh. A kinder also?
No.
There's a cop. Or
That's
an
a-
ambulance.
Yeah. I think this is his house or another one.
That is peony there. Also. Lucky. And then roses.
Ambulance, alright.
So ito yung kapaligiran
I think this is his house.
namin.
Maybe it was that one. Sometimes forget.
Maganda yung weather. Ambon kanina. That is peony, right?
I think so.
Looks like white. Ano kung peony siya. Parang. Kaya naglakad-lakad kami kasi hindi mainit.
I can show you one of my classmates' house.
Alright. Nakatamad sa loob ng
My
bahay.
classmates name is Gunner.
Gunner. Gunner.
Yeah, my classmate. I know all my
Gunner
classmates'
into ba?
names. 1 through 23, I know all their names. Sometimes we have a 24.
Huh?
Sometimes we have 24, but 24.
Wait, don't go there. Wait, don't go there.
Just wanna look. Ooh, look at it, Mommy. There's green stuff.
That is algae. Come on. I am right. Right? It's algae.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes the algae covers up the whole face.
Oh, look at her. Look, come here. Come here.
Sometimes it's just brown.
Oh, there is a fish. I saw a fish. Oh, yeah. There are some fish. Did you see fishes? I saw fish.
Oh my goodness.
There. Did you see that?
Where?
Inahawakan ko kasi ito. Baka.
Where?
Just there. They are swimming.
How about we go back and get our fishing rods? It's like,
Gusto ng mga, watch out. They might, there. There's small fish. Did you see it? They could throw a little stone there. Rock. And then watch out. There's a small fish swimming. Did you see?
no.
Oh, okay. Okay,
But
that's
I
enough na.
want
That's
to
enough na.
throw a rocks in there. A bunch of rocks.
Hindi pa nakakikita yung fish. Alright, come on. The fish don't want you to see them, so they are hiding.
One more rock.
Go. Nope. Come on. We're going to check again later, okay?
Okay, let's
Going
go
back.
past the church.
No luck.
Can we just go past the church and then come back? Can I run?
No, just walk only. You will get tired.
Oh, I want to
Tingin kami
run.
dito sa church na to. Parang ano to.
My feet feel like running.
Baptist yata yun.
My feet feel like running.
Daw niya yung paa niya gustong tumakbo.
Running.
Gusto daw tumakbo ng mga paa niya. Parang si Pacquiao din to. Okay, you can run. Ayan na. Gusto daw tumakbo ng mga paa niya eh. Parang Pacquiao. May matandang babae dyan. Kaway. Oh yeah, Baptist Church nga. Yan. Baptist Church. Sa Catholic kami nagcha-church. Maganda doon dito. Walking distance lang. Kaya lang hindi naman tayo Mara. Bumalik dyan sa may isda. Nangunguha ng acorn. Patingin. May I see? Acorn siya.
Yeah.
Alright anak, that's enough na.
There's acorns for squirrels.
And then you're gonna do this one. And then, ouch.
Careful, Mommy.
Oh, wait na kami.
They